In this video, I'll guide you through how to sell multiple items in one listing on eBay. This is a fantastic way to manage your inventory efficiently and cater to buyers who want options. Whether you're selling different sizes, colors, or styles, creating a single listing with variations can simplify the process for both you and your customers. To get started, open your web browser and head over to ebay.com. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll notice a Sell button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the selling section of eBay, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the selling section, look for the listing option. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage your current listings or create new ones. If you're like many sellers who prefer to prepare their listings before going live, you'll want to check out the drafts section. Click on drafts and it will show you a list of all your saved drafts that are ready to be edited or finalized. Find the draft that you'd like to work with and click on it. This will open up your listing draft where you can make all the necessary adjustments before it goes live. Here, you'll want to focus on the variations section to allow multiple items under one listing. Click on the edit button next to variations. This is where you can start customizing the different options you want to offer. Within the variations, click Add. This allows you to introduce new attributes for your items. For example, if you're selling a shirt, you might want to add variations like size or color. Feel free to be creative, but make sure these variations are relevant to the product you're listing. Once you've decided on the attributes, click Save to keep these changes. Next, you'll need to define the options under each attribute. Click on Options and start creating your own. If you're offering different sizes, list each size available. If it's colors, list each color option. Tailor these options to fit what you're offering. After setting up your options, it's important to review them to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied with the variations and options you've set up, click Continue. This will save your progress and take you closer to finalizing your listing. It's a good practice to double-check everything at this point, ensuring that all information is accurate and complete. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details and you're ready to go live, hit List It. This will publish your listing with all the variations you've meticulously set up, making it easier for buyers to choose exactly what they want from a single listing. And there you have it. You've successfully created a single eBay listing with multiple items. This method not only saves you time, but also provides your buyers with a seamless shopping experience. Remember, the more organized and clear your listing is, the more likely you are to attract buyers. Happy selling, and may your eBay shop flourish with these new skills.